Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 24th day of July 2016, and yesterday I was going through a bunch of my images and my folders, and I ran across this picture of this storm off the east coast of North America, and it looked to me, I mean, that really looked like the Aleutian Island chain to me. You know what I mean? So I saved. I already had the image saved, but I overlaid it over this picture of Jupiter that I had overlaid over Africa. I just aligned this curve basically. Let me just show you. This is just how it went down anyway. I overlaid it over that curve. Look at that. It's exactly the same as that curve of the Jupiter storm. And I'm not saying this is Jupiter. I don't know what they have of pictures of Jupiter or whatever, if this is real or if it's fake or whatever. This is what I aligned it to, and I could see it fit there pretty damn good, right? And then you start to think about the importance of like where Washington D.C. is and all that crap as far as their warship of the planets or whatever the fuck they do. Anyways, it fits perfect there, right? So then next thing I checked, I think, was I brought up this one image. Well, okay, it didn't go down exactly like this, but today I overlaid a picture of or I went back up here and I found this picture that I overlaid of, okay, that's that. Okay, it's probably right here. Okay, the Aleutian Island chain. And I overlaid that curve over the curve, right? And you can totally see it's the same thing. Look at the Gulf of Alaska right here. Watch. Right here. See this part right here? That's where, look at this. You can see it's the same. This same thing right here is right there in Alaska. So these two areas are absolutely related to each other. This storm in the Atlantic Ocean is shaped by the same thing that shapes the Aleutian Islands, they are shaped by the Aleutian Islands or whatever, something like that. Because you can see that it comes up to this spot and it makes that big curve right there in the Gulf, where the Gulf of Alaska is, right there where HAARP is. See that? So that matched, right? That matched right there. And then you start to, you can just see that it matches. Anyways, then I brought up this picture already set in place of weather that was from Central Asia, or I should just say Asia, basically. This whole area is Asia. There's Central Asia right here. You can see there's Saudi Arabia. And look at see this spot right here? That's the same place. It just happens to fall into that same area where that curve is right there. And you can see that that's related to, that area is related. And you can see that the pyramid shape. You don't really see the curve too much, but that right there shows that those two areas are related, or the three areas are related, I should say. Because that curve goes right there with that center spot there. It goes this whole area, and you can see like there's different levels of it, like it moved a few times or whatever. Because it's I don't know, you can see this is the first one, and there's like another one and another one here. So that links that area together pretty well. Then you bring up that picture of Jupiter again. Where the hell did it go? Let's see. Which one was it? I think it's this one right here. Okay. And you bring this up again. And then you see this. Hold on, I got to pause for a second. Anyways, I just wanted to point that out. You can see how that all aligns pretty well. I mean, I don't know why it matches Jupiter. You answer that question. You can ask yourself that question, why I aligned all this stuff to this Jupiter picture, basically. Why it all fits together, but it does all fit together. And that's it. I'm dying in my room. It's like 100 degrees in here, so I gotta turn the fan back on. Have a good day.